Hello guys, welcome back to my video. IELTS 2026. There are multiple updates which have come up and here I am to help you out with all of those. Number one, as I have already mentioned in my reels, you people must have seen it. 27th of June 2026 onwards, no paper pen based IELTS is going to be conducted. Paper pen based IELTS is going to be discontinued. So anyone who wants to give paper and pen based, please give it before that, else it won't be a possibility. Guys, see, understand one thing, validity is for 1.5 to 2 years. So if you ever feel that no, I am more comfortable on paper and pen based, just give it a try. You still have 3 months, prepare and give your exam. Second update, guys, as you all are already aware that in computer based IELTS, you are allowed to give one module reappear. So as the paper pen based IELTS is discontinued, so obviously all of you will be allowed to give one module reappear. So don't worry if you are not able to get score in any one module, you will have the second option to do that. Continuing the same thing, because computer based IELTS is going to be the major element in the coming future. So as their result is announced within 2 to 3 days, your result will be there in your hands in just 3 days. Keeping the IELTS standard, the fourth update that is there is that in your writing module, your checking is going to be a bit strict. So be ready and prepared. Don't put any memorized point in it because that is not going to give you score. Just be natural in your natural tone. Just convey the message with a good range of vocabulary and you will get your desired band score. So telling you an example how to do that, like we have commonly heard a phrase, as you sow, so shall you reap. Okay, so if you will write this point or write this proverb directly, it is going to be considered as memorized. But if you like just explain it, like if you are doing something wrong with anyone, that is going to come back on you. Rather than mentioning the entire thing, just give its explanation and your answer will be done. It's not that you don't have to mention it, but it's about don't copy the entire term, don't take the double quotes thing, just the single quotes. It is going to work out for you. Many questions have been updated in the recent examination, which we have seen that in reading portion, matching type questions are putting on more emphasis. And in writing task 1 of academics, the complex diagrams are seen. So guys, be prepared with it. IELTS is not going to be that easy as you think. You need to put in efforts in order to get your desired band score. All in all, exam structure is going to be same only for computer based test, listening followed by reading, writing and then speaking on a different time or different date. So be prepared with it. If you want that we should help you out in gaining your desired band, just contact us today and my team will be more than happy to help you.